You finally made it, harvest time. Before you get in your garden to harvest, here are a few things to think about. First thing to think about is timing. You want to make sure that you're harvesting at the optimal size, nutrition, and flavor. You'll find more specifics on when to harvest certain crops on the back of seed packets and transplant pots. When you go in for harvesting, you want to make sure you have the right tools, such as scissors, a harvesting knife, and even a harvesting basket. Another thing to think about is the method of harvesting. Sometimes you'll just use your hands with a twisting, pulling motion. Others, you'll use those scissors or harvesting knife. Next is the frequency of harvesting. Sometimes you'll just harvest something once, others you'll continuously harvest when it's ready throughout the growing season. Sometimes you need to think about preservation. If you're not eating things right away, consider freezing, canning, or drying. When harvesting, you want to monitor the yield. This way, you can keep track of how much your plants produce so you can make changes before the next growing season. For more resources and tips, go to NearSourceOrganics.com. Happy gardening!